Mount Etna in Italy, in the Sicily island, is erupting. This is the biggest or most active volcano in the Europe. It's on the boundary of the Europe and Africa, actually, Sicily. And now it is erupting. This is a Strombolian style of eruption. There's big fountains of the lava rising several hundred meters into the sky, as you can see. It's quite explosive, and there is a reason that this volcano erupts in this way. So explosive. Fountains of lava, like a torch, are rising to the sky. And it is because the oceanic plate of the ancient Tethys Ocean, which is now the remnants of the Mediterranean Ocean, Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, and the Caspian Sea, is very rich in water. The sediments of it have lots of water. The minerals like mica and other things have also a lot of water. So when they subduct under the Eurasia, when the Africa pushes northward, they have a lot of water, and the magma which is created rises back from the subducting material, goes to the mantle, get heated up, and then rises again. This has a lot of water, and when it reaches and it erupts, the pressure is removed under the volcano. It starts to erupt, come out, and melt. What is the result of it is that all this water evaporates, expands, creates pressure, and blows these lava fountains. You can see the wave front of this. Every time you see one of those wave fronts, a batch of watery magma has erupted. Water has caused explosion, shattered. This can be seen from the space even. Subduction of the Africa on the Eurasian plate and the closure of the Tethys Ocean. You can see here, subduction happens under the Sicily, and this is creating this explosive eruption of this Etna volcano. Beautiful, the most amazing eruption.